Chocolate cake, jelly, cream, strawberries and Oreos. What's not to love about Jenny's Oreo trifle? Better still, it's no bake and so easy, even the kids can join in. The first step is to make the jelly. Pour the jelly crystals into a large bowl, cover with boiling water and stir until the crystals have dissolved. Pour in cold water and give it a stir. Then pour the mixture into a shallow square baking dish and chill in the fridge until set. Use a large sharp knife to cut the jelly into 2 cm pieces. Then invert onto a chopping board to release the jelly. To start building the trifle, arrange half the chopped biscuit and half the mud cake over the base of a trifle bowl. Top with half the jelly and half the strawberries. Whip the cream using an electric mixer until soft peaks form. Spoon half the cream over the strawberry layer. Continue layering, finishing with the cream. Place in the fridge to chill. To serve, top with the extra biscuits and strawberries. This fuss-free trifle is packed with delicious flavours the whole family will love.